Yes, I remember. It's a long time ago. There were so many things I was inspired. Then there comes this moment where you have to choose. For me, it was a magical moment when I arrived and saw these empty frames. It is about the memory of a particular artwork and the vibrations that I felt in this space. So somehow it's about absence, but also about the power of art. When you know which artwork was hanging, how strong an image can be in your imagination. So I wanted to work with this. With floating memories, the idea of projecting, so having a screen, empty screen, and to project this very personal image that I had from my childhood, this first breath before talking, before expressing yourself. It has something spiritual also, and making it more abstract. I like the idea using these empty frames, the absence, and something too precise. The very special thing about this residency is that you have this freedom to explore, you develop your work. Yeah, I mean, it's a very special place. It's very inspiring.